is what was the result, what were the research questions, your aims and objectives, then methodology review. That's all. Only these components is going to fill with your own research work.
So I'll try my best. So the problem statement. First of all, I will start with the poster title. So my poster title is adsorption potential of the jackfruit leaf power in efficiently removing the hexavalent chromium from the landfill leachate. So this is the poster title, which is a descriptive, as Sir said. So the problem, and as we know, author. So I'm and my guide is a first author, and Sir, all they have contributed and corresponding authors. So whatever maybe you can add that. And I'm from biotechnology department and Periyar University. So yeah. Problem statement. So the problem statement is removing the chromium from the landfill leachate. That is the problem which I'm going to work on.
No, wait. The problem statement is contamination of water with chromium causes various diseases. This is the problem.
Like
the landfill leachate has a lot of chromium. It causes cancer, cardiovascular disease. Now we have to solve that problem. For that we have to do research. So now problem is identified. Landfill water has is contaminated with the chromium. That if we drink, it will cause disorders, various disorders. This is a problem. Okay? Now she is going to solve the problem. How she is going to solve the problem? By doing some experiment. Okay? She has used jackfruit leaves powder extract as an absorbent. For what? To absorb the chromium from landfill leachate. So the problem statement, you have to tell only the problem. Only the problem. Okay? Now, what is the background and significant? What I told. This is a background and a significant. What I told. Now let her to tell. Okay? Just let her to try. Because she was not practiced in this direction. It is also new for her. But let her to fill the gap.
So, existing knowledge in the area. So,
background. We tell the background. Tell about chromium and why it is very important to remove chromium. Like that. There is a background.
So,
and also background about your landfill. This jackfruit. Everything.
So, first of all, we'll start with the landfill leachate. So, landfill leachate is something where lots of metals are mixed with the water, and if we take the water, intake the water, it causes carcinogenic, that means cancer, cardiovascular diseases, immunologic diseases, many other. So this is the thing where we have to remove the metals. And coming upon jackfruit leaf powder, it's a sort of adsorbent. We can just absorb the chromium 6. There are two states of chromium, as we know, 3 and 6. 3 is not considered as so much dangerous and toxic than chromium 6. So chromium 6 is more dangerous, as we know.
Hexavalent chromium is more dangerous.
Yeah, than chromium 3. So here the background is just to remove the chromium 6, so that we can just invade and stop the causing of these diseases.
The existing knowledge.
So I went through many literature review as well as research publications where people have already worked in certain area, like I worked. Many other researchers, they work in like sort of chemical based adsorbent. I work in the natural leaf based adsorbent. So there's we can just go through those literature review to get existing knowledge in the particular area.
What is the existing knowledge in the area where you work?
Here are the top search results.
What is the existing knowledge in your area?
Most of them have used many chemical-based adsorbents to remove chromium 6, and maybe even not chromium 6, other metals like lead, which no one have yet discovered, made study, and they have not used any natural material to absorb and for removal of the chromium 6. So this is the research gap I found. I just found and I worked on it.
So she has used jackfruit leaf powder to absorb chromium, to isolate chromium from landfill leachate. And previously no studies have reported this. So to the best of her knowledge, this is the first one. So that is the research gap. Okay, next. The anticipated result contribute to the field advancement. Yes, of course, if you use the natural absorbent, even chemically immediate absorbent, if you use it, that also causes adverse effect. So you are using a naturally, so it will definitely advance the field.
Yeah, so it will be considered as a sustainable product.
And also cost
Yeah,
effective.
cost effective.
So this one you can write.
Eco-friendly. Yeah.
What was the hypothesis?
Hypothesis is whether jackfruit can remove
Very
the
good.
chromium 6 or not. That's it.
Jackfruit leaf extract is expected, is anticipated to remove chromium from landfill leachate. This is the hypothesis. This is what she is going to do. It may remove, might remove, or is expected to remove. Don't write will remove. Will remove means after the result. So hypothesis means is expected, is anticipated, might, may, or perhaps, like that word you should use it. Okay? Your hypothesis.